Hey guys, welcome back to the Anchored Media channel. My name is Tatum Tamia Ayomike. I am the CEO of Anchored Media and the executive producer. I want to tell you guys about our open house that we have coming up very soon. So many people see the success stories, you see our YouTube channel, you see all the conversations that we have about podcasting, and the number one question is, how do I work with Anchored Media? The open house is step one to learning more about us, what we have to offer in our signature Find Your Voice Academy retreat. This retreat is a multi-day event where we go over everything that you need to grow as the person behind the microphone, because you matter too. How to launch your show, the basics, the costly mistakes, all the things that you can avoid to get straight to building a show that has the foundation to be profitable and make impact and income. And of course, we talk about the business side of podcasting. How does your business need to be set up so that you're taking people from listeners to customers in your business? What are the marketing things that you need to do so that your show is growing and you're at the point where you can start accepting sponsors and advertisers? What do you need to do in order to better engage with your listeners and create quality content? All of this we cover, and even more. We talk about the legal side of podcasting, all of the things that you don't consider as it relates to your brand name, trademarks, releases for podcast guests. All of the things are covered at our retreat. And the first step to learning more about the retreat and how you can be a part is by attending our open house. Visit anchormedia.com/open house to sign up and reserve your spot. Seats are limited, and we only do this event a couple of times a year, so make sure you're at the open house so that you can be one of the first to reserve your spot.